Hello guys, how are you? So this is MMM79 again. Okay, so today in this video I will show you how to count levels on any pair forex pair. Okay, so this is DXY on weekly time frame, and now first of all you need to mark the high and low of current period. So first of all you need to mark the highs and lows of current period. Okay, so in this period we have this high, and this is our recent high and recent low. So now after marking our highs and lows, let's shift to day 1 time frame. Okay, so now we are on the daily time frame. So this is our marked area. Okay, this is our marked area, a high and a low. Okay, so now let's draw our boxes from this high. This is our high. Okay, as you can see, you need to count the push ups and pullbacks, push and pullbacks. So as you can see, this is the first drop, a pullback, a second drop, a pullback, and a third drop. So this is our first level of drop on DXY on daily time frame. Okay, so now this second level, this first drop, a reset, pullback, a second drop, a reset, a pullback, and another drop. Okay, so now let's draw our third level. Okay, third level start from here. This is the reset. Okay, and draw to the downside like this. Okay, so now after drawing three levels on the daily time frame, we will shift down to the H4 time frame to check that the first level is completed, second level is completed, and the third pending level is still running. Okay, so now shift to the H4 time frame. After shifting to the H4 time frame, so this is, as you can see, this is the first drop in our level first. Okay, so change the color. Okay, so as you can see, smaller drops in it, a first level of drop, a reset, a second drop, a reset, and a third drop. I will mark like this: a first drop, a reset, a second drop, a reset, and a third drop. Okay, so now let's mark the other one: a first drop, a second drop, and a third drop. Okay, so in this case, this is the first drop, a reset, a second drop, a reset, and a third drop. Okay, so this one is completed. Okay, now let's move to the last one. So this is our last level of drop. Okay, so this is our last level of drop. In this level, as you can see, this is the first, a reset, a second level, a reset, and this is the third level. So in third level you can see a first, a second, third, and 4 and 5. So this is first drop, second drop, and a third drop. Okay, so our first level of drop is completed. Okay, so now move on to the second level. Okay, in second level we also have a drop, first level of drop. Okay, and a second level of drop, and the third level of drop in it. Okay, and the third level of drop. Okay, so now this is our third level on the daily time frame, which is still running. Okay, so now let's check this. So as you can see, the first reset, second reset, and a third. So here you can see a first, a reset, a second, a reset, and a third level W. Okay, so now let's check another one level. Sorry. So as you can see, first a reset, a second level, and then a consolidation and a reset. Okay, first level of drop, consolidation, third level of drop, second level of drop, consolidation, and a third level of drop. So now what are we expecting? We are expecting another level of drop to the downside. Okay, another level of drop to the downside, which will break this low. Okay, we will break this low. So now let's shift to the daily time frame and see how it's looking. So now on the daily time frame, as you can see, this is the first drop, a reset, a second drop, a reset, and a third drop. Okay, so first drop, a reset, a second drop, a reset, and a third drop. Okay, so now this is a first drop, a reset, second drop, a reset, and a will third drop. Okay, so this is the last drop on DXY. This is the last drop on DXY, and then we will continue to the upside. Okay, so this is our target on DXY is 102, 102 and 12. Okay, so remember the last one drop is remaining on DXY, which is still running. Okay, and as you can see at this point, this is the peak low and first level of rise, a reset, a second level of rise, a reset, and a third level of rise, and then an M pattern and three more level of drops. Okay,